Alright guys, we made it to this car meet. There's hella supercars. Look, we parked next to the homie Nick. We got our GTRs out here. The twins. Hella Lambos. We're gonna check out this row of cars first. There's so many, bro.
This is where my Amazon package was.
I thought it last time. Where's my Amazon package at, bro?
Hey, let me borrow the fire extinguisher. Let me borrow the fire extinguisher.
That shit's clean.
You want one?
Yeah, that shit's sick,
know,
bro.
Right? See the logo on the back?
This is one of my favorites.
See the logo
bro.
on the back?
There are so many cars here. We're about to go look at them all right now. But look at this E36. All the supercars, and I look at this.
Fire.
It's just fire, bro.
What about this color?
That color's kind of cool. Oh, G80 with TEs on it, guys. Look at these wheels. That looks good with TEs. There's so many STOs. I think this is like the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probably more. Alright guys, real quick, I want to give a huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. You guys all know who Simply Carbon Fiber is if you guys have been watching my videos. But they're a company who makes these carbon fiber products, such as this carbon fiber slim wallet that I have been rocking for months now and I absolutely love. They even make phone cases, which is really freaking sick. I even have it sitting on my carbon fiber trunk right now. But look, we got a carbon fiber phone case. All their stuff is very slim. So a slim phone case, slim wallet, fits in all my pockets. I hate carrying bulky stuff in my pockets, so this stuff is perfect. And they even make sunglasses, bro. These are super sick. They have carbon fiber on them, which is crazy. So us car guys, I know we love carbon fibers, but if you guys want to grab something right now is the time, because today and tomorrow are the last days for their Black Friday sale. You can get up to 70% off all of their products on the entire website. So go right now. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. 70% off the entire website. And this actually could be a really good Christmas present too. So I definitely recommend all their products. Super sick, and it's freaking carbon fiber, bro. Who doesn't love carbon fiber? Guys, look at this SVJ. This is how you know that he actually drives his car, bro. That's crazy. He does look like he off-roads this shit, huh? It's for sure daily driven. This would be me if I had an SVJ, honestly. You guys know I drive my cars. I would legit daily drive this. It's for sale? Where? Damn, look what Al's pulled up, guys. The freaking Senna. Must be nice.
Do for a living?
What does he do for a living, bro? I need to do what he's doing. Uber? Look at all these BMWs, guys. Hella BMWs. We found the whole Beamer squad. This is where I would have parked if I had a Beamer.
Alright, Nick, you gotta tag me. This was free, bro.
Damn, you got me a hat?
Got your hat.
Thank you, bro. This wrap's expensive, isn't it? It's an expensive wrap, I think.
The vinyl and the film, yeah.
G80 2 M4. This shit has blue carbon fiber wheels. How much you guys think these wheels are? Probably a lot, right? G80 next to an F80, guys. Which one do we get? Which one do we get, guys? I don't know.
I got you.
I like both. It's so hard to pick.
Somebody's car catches on fire.
You got us?
I'm ready.
So many BMWs, bro. Look, E46. All of them. This one is nice, bro. She got the TEs on it. TEs with Nardo Gray? That's just sick. Kicks brought the Nismo out and he wrapped it. If you guys remember, last time we saw it was blue and now it's Nardo Gray. Back to his Nardo Gray color. Honestly, this color is so hard. I want to do Nardo on one of my cars so bad, bro. I think we're going to do it on the GTR, honestly. I don't know. I've always wanted to do it on one of my cars. I wanted to do Nardo on my E92. Then I wanted to do it on my GTR. I didn't do it on the GTR because he had it on his GTR. So I don't know, bro. I really want to do Nardo Gray one day. I know like a lot of people do it nowadays, but it just looks so good. Look at that. And it's like Kick's signature color, like my red. Guys, look at the homie Kevin's already. I'm so jealous, bro. This shit is perfect. You guys know how much I want one. How bad I want one, bro. And this shit is literally exactly how I would do it, to be honest.
Except the bags.
I like it on bags, bro. It looks like a little spaceship or something, UFO. Hard with the wing and everything. It's literally perfect. I would not change a single thing on this car, bro. The color's perfect, the wing's perfect, everything. Sheesh. That's so sick. He used to have an i8. I think he still has the i8, but now he has the R8. Must be nice.
That one, yeah.
Look at that turbo on that shit. The two most random cars together. That's crazy. Oh, I want it. Guys, look at this. M4 with BBS RS2s. It's just fire, bro. There's a few G80s here. Look, this one is like an emerald green. There's also another one right there, but this shit's crazy. They're so nice, bro. I really want one. This shit's so sick too. What the? It's like a fade. I didn't even realize that. It has like gold wheels, fade wrap on it, black to green, which is pretty crazy. And he got the carbon seats. You gotta get these seats if you get an F80, bro. G80, my bad, but this thing is sick. All the Porsches. Another G80, bro. Why are there so many? Oh, the white looks really good, bro. It's like a frozen white. I wonder if that's paint. I wonder, bro, or if it's wrapped. Oh my. What girl's calling me, bro?
What girl?
Look at this one, guys. R32. Clean, clean, clean. Guys, it's for sale. 5 grand. Should we do it? I'm down. Oh, I missed that lid. I don't miss breaking them though.
That's legendary right there.
Damn, that color is nice, bro. It's like a midnight purple. Look at all of these ZL1s. There's literally so many ZL1s, bro.
Hey, he has the same wheels as you?
Oh shoot, he does have the same wheels as me. Look at this, guys.
Can't feel as
Same tires too. What the? Look, it has the carbon trunk too. This is how my car would look if it was black. I mean, it was blue. I can't even talk, bro. I'm on 2 hours of sleep. E46 M3, a Laguna Seca Blue too. It's probably a real Laguna Seca Blue for sure. That's where the color originated from, right? There's so many Camaros. All these snacks. No, I'm just kidding. Some of the other ones are really fast, bro. I wanted to come look at this M4 that I saw coming in. This shit's clean. What's up, bro? How are you? This thing's so clean, bro. Nardo gray with TEs on it. It's just so simple and clean, bro. Nice little fat tire on the back. My style, for sure. Damn, that shit's nice. You think it's fast? Sheesh. You got the Mexico racing flag on the back. Look at this plate on the R8. Huracan. R8. It's so funny. It's funny because on these cars, they're the same engine as the Lambo. I think you can use the Lambo engine cover and put it on here. So when you look in the R8 engine bay, it has little Lamborghini logos. I want to do that if I get an R8. It'll look like this with the Lambo engine covers. I feel like you gotta come to these meets and get inspired to want to drive one of these. Like, I want to pull up in a Huracan here, bro. Look, E92. I miss it, bro. That's the same color as mine too. I had like the bluish black paint. Look, guys, that police GTR again. I still don't understand how he drives like this with the police lights, bro. I feel like you'll get pulled over so fast. Guys, look how loud this F80 is, bro. No way they're that loud. This one's so beautiful too, bro. Like, it's so clean. CEs, carbon trunk. It's fire. Look who it is, guys. Alright, guys, we just got food. I'm doing a horrible job filming today, but we got the homies. David met up with us. Got David in the F80. And the homie Jay met up with us too.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.